Just went by a plow truck, a city truck, was under the overpass, just waiting it out. I'm gonna try to get back to my house. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wrong side of the road, buddy. He was on my side of the road. You gotta be very careful. People, I went down 123 in Brockton, and there was somebody literally driving on the complete opposite side of the road, almost touching the sidewalk, and he could have hit somebody head on. Just had no idea what he was doing or where he was going. And he wasn't a plow truck. I've only seen a couple of cars out. I try not to judge. They could be nurses trying to get home or something like that, but if you're going out for scratch tickets or something right now, you're just a complete fool. Absolutely complete fool. I know the roads really well, so I know, you know, I've driven them a million times, so I know I'm going past a golf course right now. You can't really tell, but just trying to get back to the house right now, and we're going to wait this out for a while. It wasn't bad earlier. I went out about 4 a.m. Wasn't too bad. Now it's a blizzard right now, that's for sure. Coming up to a set of lights here. I can't see them yet, but I know they're up here. Here they are. Visibility on like a street light is probably 300, 400 feet. Some people in the donut shop. Just waiting. At about 4 o'clock this morning, I kind of felt like I had been in a lot worse, but this is really bad right now. This is almost no visibility. Right now I'm about, I would say, about a mile from my house. So, get home and lay down for a while, set the alarm for a few hours, and get back up and try it again.